Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to either enable or disable autoplay settings on your Windows 11 computer. So this should be a pretty straightforward process, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is right click on the Windows Start button and select Settings. You want to select Bluetooth and Devices on the left side. And then you want to go down further down on this page here and you want to select autoplay, defaults for removable drives and memory cards. And if you want to turn on autoplay, you can, or if you want to toggle it off, just toggle to the on or off position up at the top. And you can also change the defaults depending on if it's a removable drive or a memory card, such as configuring storage settings, taking no action, asking you every time, or opening the folder to view files in File Explorer. So again, pretty straightforward process there, guys. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.